We had our counters installed this morning. It was originally scheduled for Friday morning, but we had a previous appointment, and the installation team only does morning appointments. You see they put a ledge up here by the window, all around there, and all the way around. We're waiting on the Lazy Susan. The color, it's quartz, and it's a dark, kind of a gray, dark gray with some beige. And if you look real closely, you could possibly see like a deep green, but primarily dark gray going through there. Tomorrow morning, they're gonna come back and round these corners so that they're not prominent. We didn't think about that when we ordered to ask them to do it this morning and do a couple touch-up on some sealants and things. But both of these corners we're gonna have that done too, and primarily for safety reasons for our grandchildren and anybody else walking by. And I think we're gonna leave these alone. Now the island, we designed it in this way to seat 4. This is replacing our kitchen table. We're gonna have three bar stools here, and then one on the other side. And right here, we're gonna put something there, but we're not quite sure. We're just kind of living in the space and trying to figure out what feels good. The paint color that's gonna go on the walls is cream, and it should bring out some of the cream and beige in here. And it's the cream paint is gonna go back on the entire wall, all the way around. We're gonna have it done all the way around to this wall above the heater. Also at the same time, we're replacing our AC heater units, window units for central AC. So these vents are the new vents that have been installed between Friday and today in the kitchen area. And this old one, the ceiling is going to be painted also. I think they're going to take this one out, but I'm not sure. And so they're expecting to finish tomorrow evening. And this unit, tomorrow night we should see this unit gone. We have a unit, and then they're also going to be putting the fan that used to be in the kitchen area over here in the family area. As part of this, we're about to move everything out of here because we have decided to go ahead and redo the floors to keep these natural floors because we do love them. And so I will send an update tomorrow. We used, I think it was DS Surfaces in Buda. David is his name, and he has been amazing. And they had said that the counters are the icing on the cake, and we just really love it. We feel very blessed.